foundations changing the color of your skin completely, and you're like, oh, okay, what's going on right here? Like, what? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're gonna be talking about my unpopular opinions, trends we should leave in 2019 video in beauty. Okay, so if y'all do not know, I started doing makeup 3 months ago. So all these opinions, they're not like you shouldn't do this. I think makeup is a platform that you can express yourself, but we can't deny that trends do exist, that it's not about expressing, it's about following what other people do. Okay, we always we want to stay on trend and yada yada yada. So today we're gonna be talking about the trends that I think they should go, and me experimenting with makeup for 3 months only, okay? This is my opinion, okay? This is not me telling you that you're doing your makeup wrong. This is not me telling you that you look bad. We all look cute. As long as you make it work, we're stunning, okay? This is my opinion, things that I didn't like learning makeup, things that I wouldn't do, maybe in the future, but we're talking about today as the making of this video, okay? So if y'all want to know my opinion on these things, then keep on watching. So first things first, I don't like when foundation is literally different than your skin tone. Like full coverage foundations, I don't like it. I don't know if it's to change the color of your skin, like when you were a darker complexion, or if you really go extremely full coverage. I'm not a big fan of full coverage foundations at all. I think that we all have these colorations and certain things, and it's nice to show them. So generally, if I pick up a foundation, I like them to be medium coverage. Generally, I don't like the ones that are full coverage, even though I'm looking to try that, right? But as of now, I just don't like that. Foundations changing the color of your skin completely, and you're like, oh, okay, what's going on right here? Like, what? I think that should stay in 2019. Let's bring, when it comes to foundation though, let's bring the beauty from within. Let's have perfect complexion. That's what I would like to see. Okay, next, I think that the next thing that I didn't like much is putting a lot of concealer on, especially it's very fair. I understand that we want to lighten the darker parts of our eye, but putting concealer all over your cheek and nose, it's like, I just don't get it. Generally, I just put concealer only here, and today I'm not wearing concealer. I just put a lighter foundation because I'm really not much into concealer as much. I'm trying to get into it though. So I don't understand putting so much concealer on your face. I totally don't understand the necessity of it. Putting so much concealer, girl, like you don't need that. Like, let's conceal, okay? We're not trying to look 3D in here, okay? We're already 3D. We're not trying to look that much. Just saying. I think contour is fine. I'm fine with contour. I really like it. I think contour is okay, but okay, the next thing will be baking. Okay, I am mixed skin, I'm matte oily here, then here I'm normal, so I never go to dry, I'm never dry. I think baking is dumb. I think baking doesn't work because before I got into makeup, I got into skincare. In the area under your eye, it's not oily at all, it's just dry, and it's like, it's not like the lid it's like oily. But here is dry, so what's the need to bake? You're putting powder. I just don't think it's necessary. I think that's just a trend that started with drag queens and became into regular makeup, that I think it's an unnecessary step. I don't think we need to bake our face. Just put powder on it and call it a day. Especially if you have dry skin, dry to normal, you don't need baking. Yeah, maybe if I will bake, I will try my nose only. But other than that, I think baking is unnecessary. And if you care about the follow from the eyeshadow, just do your eyeshadow first. Like, what's wrong with that? I don't get it. And the next page is like, I think we should leave this matte movement in 2019. I don't think our face should be matte. I don't think our face should be matte at all. I think that we glowing from within. I like to be in a little bit dewy. I like that. I like being dewy. I like lip gloss. I like that. I think that's so beautiful. But when a face is matte, I just don't like that. Even though that's just preference, though. Sometimes I like to be more matte, but fully matte. Lips, face, everything matte. I just don't like it. It's just my opinion. Maybe this is not a trend that will go away, but I would like to go more into like skin, like, you know, like I like to see your skin glowing, like how your makeup is not breaking, but you see like the shine on your cheeks, on your nose, on your forehead. I think that's beautiful and it's pretty hot. So I think we should keep doing that. Okay. False eyelashes. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this. I never put on a false lashes on me, and maybe I will. I think that we're going a little bit, we're doing a bit too much with false eyelashes. We're having lashes, y'all, that when you go down, they look like two spiders on your face, and I don't think that's that cute, honestly. I think I love a good liner. This is my look, and I get it. Some people really love falsies. I just don't like fake eyelashes, especially ones that are like, they're fake. You can know that. That's a bug, honey. That in a lash. They should not be called fake lashes. They should be called fake spiders. What are you putting in your eye, girl? You look pretty. Let that cut crease come through. We don't need them lashes. Okay, I never tried false eyelashes, so maybe I'll fall in love with them, but as of now, as what I've seen, I'm not interested in even trying. I feel like I'm not into it. I really like showing my cut crease. I feel like a falsie will cover it. I'm just not into the false lash movement. I think it's a trend that will go away also. I don't know, I feel like one day we're gonna realize that lashes, we are doing too much. Okay, we are doing too much. So those are basically my beauty trends that I think we should leave them in 2019. There are much of them. I haven't tried all of them. As what I tried, I didn't like. So this is my opinions. What are your thoughts on this? I just don't like these things, honestly, but I might give it a shot. Especially with lashes, I haven't tried them yet, but as of now, I'm not a big fan of. But other than that, these are just like my thoughts. There's this just lighthearted. If you do any of these steps, tell me why you think it's necessary, why you think it's not a trend, or if you think it's a trend, why did you start doing this in the first place? Because you like them or because you saw other people doing it? Let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate y'all if y'all subscribe, and Happy New Year. I guess this is gonna be out after the New Year, so Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.